Apex, Holly Springs, Cary. If your back keeps talking, listen. At Black Diamond Chiropractic and Sports Performance, we get to the root of pain. Neck stiffness, low back flare-ups, that nagging pinch after workouts. You'll get precise chiropractic adjustments, plus hands-on massage therapy when you need it. Athletes, weekend warriors, desk workers, we tailor care to how you actually move. You'll leave with a clear plan and real tools to stay better between visits. Ready to feel steady, strong, and confident again? Call for info.